All right, just to show you what it looked like in the South Bay earlier today, we started rolling the camera about 2 hours ago as the rain was coming through. And this is what it's looked like in San Jose. If you speed it up a bit, you can see the traffic's moving along quickly, and every once in a while you see a drop of rain come down on the lens. And there you have it. Now, we picked up in parts of San Jose about 1/4 of an inch of rain, but officially out at Mineta Airport, it's only been like 1/10. This has been really variable. It depends on if you were in just the right location to get the best rain. So we'll leave that view behind, and we'll switch back over to high-def Doppler, and things have begun to start quieting down. So this is the here and now, and while there is still rain out there, there's less of it than there was over the course of the last 3 hours, and it's a lot spottier, and it's less intense. And if we look at the North Bay, these are the showers we were watching really since we went on the air at 5 o'clock. There's far less lightning being detected with those now, maybe still a few showers getting down to the ground. And then here's our complex, which has been a lot more persistent and widespread. This goes through northern Santa Clara County and southern Alameda County, right through there, Fremont, Milpitas, right down into Santa Clara. This is where some of the best rain's been over the last few hours. And the Futurecast definitely sees that. And it also sees the thunderstorms up here in the North Bay. And it's pretty confident things are definitely on the downswing. And as we get to midnight, things will begin to quiet down with this. And we don't really get a whole lot more rain from this current phase. So we look at the bigger picture. How did we get thunderstorms, by the way? You can see the spin in the storm just off our coast. We happen to be just on the northern edge of this where more of the energy is, and that's what's allowed these thunderstorms to develop. That clears out as we go through the remainder of tonight. So what we want to take a look at first of all is Monday. And Monday is going to be far quieter. Here are your morning lows. As we wake up to somewhat clearer skies, we'll see the temperatures dip down to the upper 40s and low 50s. No different from what you've experienced the last several mornings. And then the daytime highs get a bit cooler for tomorrow. These will be anywhere from 6 to 7 degrees cooler than what we saw today. So the cool down begins on Monday, but you don't notice a big change yet. It's Tuesday when we get more noticeable changes, because on Tuesday, the next storm is coming from the Gulf of Alaska, developing right there. So that's going to be a lot colder. And it's going to give us some more widespread rain. It won't be thunderstorms. It's not going to be the isolated thunderstorms like today. Totally different kind of storm in character. This one comes in kind of like a weak winter storm. Gives us a wash of widespread light showers, a noticeable dip in daytime highs. We're not going to get out of the 50s all day on Tuesday and Wednesday, and it is not a big rainmaker. These are the totals for Tuesday and Wednesday. That says Wednesday nearing midnight. The grand total comes to about less than 2/10 of an inch of rain. But you need to plan for at least a chance of showers on both days at this point, Tuesday and Wednesday. Storm's going to be much better at giving us snow in the Sierra. And if you look at the grand total for how much snow we're going to get between now and Friday, oh, that's pretty good. We pick up about 1.5 feet of snow up at the higher elevations in the Sierra. So good news there. We can take all the snow Mother Nature is still willing to throw us. Granted, it's not a miracle March. We need a lot more, but any small amount is good. So there's your 7-day forecast. Notice the cool down for Tuesday and Wednesday. Chance of showers there. Then we clear it out. We'll just call it partly cloudy and gradually warmer as we get into next weekend. Be back with more on this coming up in the next half hour, guys. Back over to you.